Deep breath for me. All the way out. Nice. Oh, deep breath. And they get out alignment easier too. Perfect. All right, let's go face up. Let me check the neck. Relax and retreat. Great. Oh man, your ears are just red now. Deep breath. All the way out. This should be for the heartburn. All the way out. Good. There it is.
You just keep your teeth together. Take a breath through your nose. Let all your out. Good girl. Now you felt that all the way down, didn't you? Keep breathing. The initial soreness that you get from this adjustment, yep. And just breathe normal now. There you go. That's a girl. Yes, ma'am. I still got one more right here. There it is. I knew it was there.
Okay. Relax here for me. Very good. Excellent work. Okay. Very good. Relax right here for me. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. We're not going to name this adjustment. We're definitely going to get some long axis traction. Very good.
Oh yeah, beautiful. Good.
Okay. Okay, nice and relaxed here. Gonna go nice and easy today, nothing ridiculous. Good, right there. Come towards me a little bit. Okay, just right. Good. And that's probably where shoulder blade stuff's coming from. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Beautiful. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so you can't even turn your neck this way. Nice and relaxed here. Just let it go right there. Good. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Good, right there. Good. Good. Right there. Relax here for me. Very good. Okay. Relax right in here for me. Very good. All right, we're gonna try to get in here and get some movement. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. All right, good movement in there. Relax right here for me. Very good. Here. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. There it is.
So I'm going to do a Gonstead cervical chair adjustment on her. There. And there.
And open your arms up and relax your head back. Take a breath in and out and let this just drop back. There you go. There you go. Now let it roll back. There you go. Yes.
Nice deep breath in. Oh yeah, good job. Did you feel that all the way down, Noe? Yeah. Drop this in my hand. Perfect. Yep, good job. Okay, nice and easy. Alright, keep breathing, there you go. Excellent. Yep, perfect. See, this opens the joints up a little bit and allows me to get in there, separate these joints a little bit better.
All right, Cap, give me a deep breath for me. Beautiful. Perfect. Oh, now you can breathe, bud. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Relax. Man.
Oh, wow.
Good. My goodness.
All right.
Nice. Ready? Nice one. Nice. Come on. Oh, nice.
Okay.
Oh, すごかったね。OK。ラックス。よし。楽にして。OK。はい、OK。よし。もう大丈夫だ。よし。ちょっと下向きで、そうそうそう。よし。OK。もう少し。OK。おお。適当な少しあるか。もう少しピュー。おお。OK。Yeah.
Take a deep breath. Blow it all the way out. Very nice. One more time. Deep breath. Blow it out. Good. All right, you just relax there. Get your neck. Good. Now we'll come over and do this side. Relax your side down. There we go. Good. Take a deep breath. All the way out. Nice. Take a deep breath. Blow it out. One more time. Good.
Relájese aquí. Very good. Muy bien. Relaja el cuello así. Muy bien. Respire hacia adentro. Saca el aire completamente. Muy bien. Relájese aquí. Relaja el cuerpo. Muy bien. Aquí arriba también. Ok. Saca el aire completamente y relaja el cuerpo. Muy bien. Saca el aire completamente. Very good. Respire hacia adentro. Saca el aire completamente. Perfecto. Respire hacia adentro. Saca el aire completamente. Muy bien. Saca el aire completamente. Very good. Perfecto.
We are very straight shooters here. We tell the truth in everything that we do. And that's the only kind of people I like dealing with, is truthful, honest people. Not scammers and people that steal my money. Okay, exhale. There we go. That's it. Okay, I got one more here. I can feel it. Yep. You feel that one?
One more time.
Relax right in here for me. Very good. Okay. Relax right over here for me. Relax your head back for me. There. Very good. Take a deep breath in. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good.
So we're going to take a deep breath through your nose roll and exhale and just relax. Oh, yeah. There it is right there. Okay. Let this go right in my hands. Perfect. Oh, yeah. There we go. That's it. Yeah. Okay. Let me get one more. There it is. Nice deep breath in. Let all your out, but keep your teeth together. Just like that.
Oh my God.
You felt that all the way down, didn't you? Deep breaths for me. I got that lower one right there, though. You feel that?
All right, we'll start right here. I'll have you take a nice deep breath all the way in. Let that air all the way out and just relax on the table. Here we go. That feel okay?
That felt great.
Good. Definitely some tightness in your back. Work must have been a little bit stressful today. Doing okay so far?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Perfect. Have you go ahead and flip to that other side too. Twisty up here. There we go. On your back. All right, so we'll go ahead and do that neck adjustment now. I'm just gonna tip your head over to the left side. Have you relax nice and heavy. Very good. Same thing on the left over here.
We're gonna get some movement here in the neck, okay? Relax here for me. Very good, okay? Relax right here for me. Excellent. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Excellent. Relax right here for me. Good. Excellent. Good. Okay, we're gonna get some movement down here. Tender here. Good. 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 All right. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Breathe in. Completely exhale. Very good.
All right, take a big breath in, sir. All the way out. Here we go. And again, big breath. All the way out, please. Let it go. All the way. Good. Good. Right up here. Relax. Other way. Good. Good. And over here.
Let this go. I'm going to adjust you in just a second here. You're doing fine. Good. This side's really tight.
Just like that. See, that was smooth as silk. Good. Perfect. Exhale. Exhale. There we go. Good. Okay. There we go. She always likes those. There we go. Good.
Just relax here. Wow. Feels like he's a self-adjuster. Good, nice. Okay, right there. Whoa, beautiful. Yikes. Good, nice, relaxed in here. Good, good, nice. Okay.
Good. Good. And then breathe out. So apply low pressure. 1. There you go. Hold that breath. Don't breathe out. Good. That's it. And breathe out. How's that?
Oh man, that was deep.
There. Deep breath in. And let it out. Twist. There we go. Breathe in and out. Good. Deep breath in and out. Good. There we go. And breathe out. Right there. There you go.
Deep breath for me. Oh, yeah. Deep breath. Oh. Nice. Right? There we go. Deep breath. Oh, nice. Oh, it's already going all the way up. Nice. Good. Nice. Wow, that was tight.
Man.
Oh, yeah. Good. Wow. Man.
And just relax. There you go. Now you should have felt that all the way down your spine.
Yeah, a bit.
Drop this in my hand. Okay, let me have you completely. Just tilt left a little bit. There you go. There you go. Oh yeah. Sound like a bowl of Rice Krispies. I'm just pouring on the milk. Okay, just keep breathing and exhaling. There.
I want you to take a deep breath. Blow it all the way out. Good. Take another deep breath. All the way out. And one more time. Blow it out. Okay. Now, take a deep breath. Fantastic. All right. One more time. Fantastic. Traction. Okay, here we go. Good. Fantastic. Relax right here. Very good. Feel that movement in there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Very good. Relax right in here for me. Nice. Very good movement. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. All right. Relax here for me. Very good. Relax here for me. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Let me have you lay face in the other way for me. Very good. Lay face up for me. This one you might feel it all the way through the low back. Very good. Definitely felt it in the upper neck, right? Yeah, for sure. Oh.
Yeah. Good. Take a deep breath. We found one. All the way out. Deep breath for me, bud. All the way out. Nice. He's young, so he moves really easily. All the way out. Beautiful. Good. Got a side. Good. Deep breath in. Nice. Man. Woo! Let's go face up. You ready?
Yeah.
Deep breath for me. All the way out. Perfect. You okay?
Yeah.
One more. Oh, yeah. Good.
All right, now we're going to go ahead and take a nice deep breath through your nose. There you go. See how I got down low and level with that? There you go. Take some deep ones. Yeah. And let me have your head completely. Wiggle your right big toe. Okay, that's not it. There it is. Okay. No, you're not letting me have you. Just let it go right in my hand. Wiggle your left big toe. There you go. Good. And just exhale there. Jared came in and got to see one of our big NFL players leaving. We take care of some big boys here, don't we, Joseph?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, keep breathing. Whenever you get your business app up and running, we'll let you give a big plug for that too. Nice deep breath through your nose. Relax it. Oh yeah. Home run. Felt that one all the way down, didn't you? Oh yeah. There we go. Okay, now let me just have your head in my hands. That's it. Very good. And then the lower thoracics. There we go. Good. And exhale for me. There we go. Okay. There we go. So I'm going to wrap this wet towel around his occiput and his mandible. Take a nice deep breath in. Let all your out. There we go. Nice smooth pull. Did you feel that all the way down, Oswaldo?
Yes. Did you feel the movement there?
Yeah. Let's have a deep breath in. Oh yeah. I know that was a home run. That's yeah, that's what they love. That's why I never talk when I'm doing those. There. Excellent. Good. Take a deep breath for me, Ash. Let it all out. Oh yeah. Home run. Now let me get your neck here first. That's the way. Nope, let me have this one tilt left a little bit. Okay. Okay, now just exhale. Oh yeah. Good. And just keep breathing, my friend. Good job.
We found some areas of restriction right in here in the upper cervicals. Very good, okay? So we're adjusting through the areas of restriction here, okay? I want you to relax here. We're palpating again, adjusting through the area of restriction. Very good. Let me have you lay face down right here for me. We're gonna adjust through here. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Relax right here for me. Good, okay. Same thing right over here. Very good, okay. Relax right here for me. Okay. Very good. Okay, bilateral. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Let me have you lay on your side facing this way. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Let me have you rotate facing the opposite way. Let me have you take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good.
And nice deep breath. Yes, there you go. Nice and smooth. There it is. Yeah, it's getting easier, huh?
Oh yeah.
You do better now than you did before.
Oh god.
Yeah. Felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Oh my god.
Perfect. Brooke's like Renee. She's crackalicious. So keep that one way up there. You tuck your chin all the way down in there between your breasts. And let all your air out. There we go. Oh yeah. Now let your head back and air out. Okay, good.
Oh my god, that's my favorite.
I'm going to swing you around that way and just relax. Go ahead and get in close on this, Joseph, because this will make a lot of noise. There we go. Good. Okay, here we go. Look at that, falling in place. Good girl. There we go. So, you guys have any ideas or suggestions, supports? We're still taking emails and questions on that. There we go. Boy, that was perfect. That they had like 110-degree Cobb angle scoliosis curve in their spine. Oh yeah. Just keep breathing, letting your shoulders relax. That's it. Let those go down all the way. Go ahead and drop them all the way down. There you go. Just like that. Perfect.
Relax here for me. Very good, okay. Relax right in here. We're gonna go ahead and come on the other side. And we're at about C2 on this side. We're gonna go from posterior to anterior right here. I want you to relax here for me. Very good. T4 region, breathe in for me. And all the way out. Very good, okay. I want you to relax right in here for me. Very good, okay. Relax right over here for me. Very good. Sorry about that. You okay? Mm-hmm. Breathe in for me. And all the way out. Very good. Very good. Thank you.
Okay. So what I want you to do is take a deep breath for me. Blow it all the way out. One more time. Blow it all the way out. And last time. Blow it all the way out. Okay, turn on the other side. Oh, that was really good.
There we go. Okay.
Since you know martial arts, we should call you Walker.
Yeah, I could bring my nunchucks in here and just all y'all. And some of the comments y'all making on there, you're going to get the nunchucks. There you go. Very nice. They love those. Because he thought it all looked the same too until I adjusted him. thought it was maybe hair. There we go. Boy, that's moving better too. Yep. There, excellent. Got one more there too.
All right, back. Take a deep breath for me. All the way out.
Inhala.
Ay.
Sueltas. Quedas como yo.
Ay, me gusta.
De medio lado. Suelta.
Ay.
Descarga el cuerpo.
What?
Good. Good.
Wow.
Beautiful. That was rock and roll, dude. Ouch. Just let it go here. Okay, let it go. Good.
Работа идет на самом глубоком уровне с суставами, с костями. И расслабляю полностью шею. Расслабляйся на вдохе сильнее.
And just keep breathing normal. There we go. Good movement. Okay, keep breathing for me, Oswaldo. I still feel one more right there. Okay.
Feels very stiff. Drop into the left here. Very tight. Hold your shoulders. Put your chin forward. And bend forward again.
Good job, man. Perfect. Take a deep breath for me. All the way out. Perfect. Good. And the other side.
I heard it crack.
Oh yeah, I felt it crack. Good. Perfect. All right, deep breath for me. And relax. Nice. Every time you smell it. One more. Good.
So we're gonna get in here now. Just let me have your neck. Palmer diversified cervical rotary break. There you go. Perfect both ways.
Respira fundo. Ótimo. Perfeito. Solta o ar. Solta o ar, solta. Aí. Respira bem fundo. Solta. Ótimo. Mais. Ótimo. just put a towel here so my hands don't slide, okay? Take some breaths in and out. Good. 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 Breathe in. Breathe out. These are adjustments for the fixation I found when he was sitting up.
That's right. See, it's already starting to go. Good. It's already starting to go. His neck is so mobile up here. Begging to go. Jesus Christ. That was nuts. Okay, nice and relaxed right here. Okay. Oh, good. Oh yeah, this guy's a big self-adjuster.
Yeah.
Which is terrible, people. Stop self-adjusting.
Oh.
Good.
Oh.
Was that a little bigger?
That was much bigger.
Yes, TMG. Open. Very good. Open. Open again. Relax.
Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Getting some mobility here in the thoracic spine. We're going to get here for the cervical thoracic region. Very good. Same thing right in here. Excellent. Okay. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Bem fundo, solta, ótimo. Respira fundo. Ótimo. Soltar, solta. Isso, deixa eu preparar. Aí, respira bem. Solta. Respira fundo para soltar. Solta. Ótimo, perfeito.
Tá, tô querendo levar o meu nome, o nome dele aqui pro lugar mais alto.
Ótimo. Respira. Respira fundo. Solta, solta. Ótimo. Entrevista. Relaxa.
Nossa, agora foi.
Ótimo.
Moleque.
Respira fundo. Relaxa mais, cabeça, isso. Ótimo. Boa.
Proprio inte mallet, né? Det är det?
No.
Ja. Proprio inte mallet, né? Put your chin on your chest and keep it there. Lean forward a little bit more. And another one. And vad heter det? Okay, let it roll off. Especially a tender swallow. Gentlemen. Look at that lovely adjustment.
Take a big breath in, please. All the way out. Let it go. And again, big breath. All the way out.
There we got it. Perfect. Good, you're doing fine. Yeah, you can feel all this tension here. Just let it go. Good. Okay. Just let it rest right here. Good. There we go, that was better. Yeah, there's a tremendous amount of tension over here. Yeah, right there. Okay, let it go. Good.
All right, deep breath for me. All the way out. Beautiful. Good. All the way out. Don't even wait for me. Perfect. Oh, nice. That was very good. That was locked up.
All the way out. Let it go. Good. Again, big breath in. All the way out, please. Let it go. Good, right up here. Good. How's that?
Wonderful.
Relax. Good. Other side, please. I'm gonna put my hand on your bottom. Relax. Here we go. Good. Drop your shoulders down. Good. And again. Good.
So on this one, and I want you just to keep your teeth together. I'm gonna put this under your skull. And respira. And relajate. And relax. Oh yeah. You feel that all the way down? Okay, respira and just keep breathing. Squeeze my hand. There you go. Okay, just respira and relajate. Sí, muy bien. Sí, sí. And respira. Sí. And relájate. Sí. Mucho mejor. Sí. Okay. Sí, there we go. Okay, I got you. You see, relájate. Let it go right in my hand. Sí, muy bien. Good.
Breathe out. Okay, good.
So we're going to set it up with a little tension, moving forward and to the right. Make sure his head stays as close to neutral as we can, and just give it a push.
Good. Good, nice. Let's go here. Good. Okay. Is that sweat I feel coming off your head?
Yeah.
Good.
You retired. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Good. Good. Perfect. All right. Let's go. Move down towards your feet a little bit. I'm going to do a drop table for you. Deep breath. All the way out. Good. Two more. Deep breath. All the way out. And last one. Deep breath. All the way out.
Inhala, exhala. Inhala, exhala. Ajá. Inhala, exhala. ¿Rompió? Se pone aquí de pie. Inhala, exhala. Inhala, suelte. Suelte, mi vida. Inhala, exhala. Inhala, exhala. Lleva la cabeza arriba. Atrás. Exacto. Okay. Now we'll take it this way. Just relax. Good. Right into this joint. Take a deep breath. Blow it out. Good. Okay.
Deep breath for me. Oh. Perfect. Deep breath. All the way out. Beautiful. What? This is the first time this barman's like.
I know.
Relax. Beautiful.
Nice deep breath through your nose. There we go. Okay, I got one more here today. There it is. Good. Okay. All right. Perfect. Yes. Well, that felt good.
That felt good.
Yep. Turn the other way. Lay on your back. Nice. That's amazing. Good. Hands on your tummy.
Very good. Let me palpate right through here. Relax right here for me. Good movement. Excellent. Okay, just about as good as the first time, huh? Mm-hmm. Very good. Let me have you lay face down right here for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Okay, good movement there. Relax right here for me. Very good. Relax right here for me. Good. Relax right there for me. Good. Okay. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. There we go. Got some movement in there? All right. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. Give me this hand here. Right there. Relax your upper body there. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Let me have you lay face up for me. Movement. Relax right here for me. There you go. Excellent. One more. Excellent. Okay. Okay. Relax here for me. Very good. Good stuff. Relax right here for me. Okay, let's try this one more time here. Okay, good. Very good. Okay. Relax right in here. I'm going to get some movement right in here. Very good. All right, right in here. Relax here for me. Excellent. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Okay. Let's try one more right over here. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Excellent. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. Very good. Okay, relax right in here for me. Very good. Excellent work. How'd that feel for you, buddy?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Was that your first adjustment?
Mm-hmm.
All right. First is always the best one. Relax here. Very good. Relax right there for me. Good. Very good. Felt that movement in here?
Mm-hmm.
Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Completely exhale. Good movement. Very good.
And exhale. And just relax. Oh, yes. There it is right there. Okay. Let this go right in my hands. Perfect.